In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Zoho CRM. By the end, your data will flow smoothly between both platforms, so sales and marketing can stay in sync. Before you begin, make sure you're an admin in both tools and that you've noted any field customizations you rely on, since those affect your mappings later. Start in your HubSpot account's home screen and open the Marketplace. This is HubSpot's catalog of certified apps and integrations that extend what HubSpot can do. You'll find connectors for CRMs, email tools, billing platforms, and more. We'll use the official Zoho CRM Data Sync app so records can stay aligned across systems. In the Marketplace, search for Zoho CRM and select the Zoho CRM listing. Click Install, then choose Connect to Zoho CRM. You'll be redirected to Zoho's authorization page. Review the permissions requested, check the consent checkbox to confirm access, and click Accept. This grants the connector secure access without sharing your password. You'll land back in HubSpot. Click Continue Setup to move into the sync configuration. Choose Set up your sync. This option configures operational, ongoing two-way or one-way syncing of CRM records like companies and contacts. If you see an option to sync to Data Studio, that's intended for analytics and reporting datasets, not for keeping live records synchronized. For day-to-day CRM alignment, Set up your sync is the right path. Next, pick the Zoho object you want to sync. Click Select an object and, in this example, choose Accounts. On the HubSpot side, the default pairing for Zoho accounts is Companies. Confirm that this is correct for your process. If your teams use different naming or custom fields, you can tailor mappings in the next steps. Click. Next, to open the Company Sync Wizard. Here you can adjust filters to limit which records sync, choose one-way or two-way direction, and fine-tune field mappings. If you're just getting started, it's often best to begin with a small filter or a test segment, then expand after you verify results. Click Next when your options look good. On the review screen, double-check the summary, object pairing, sync direction, deduplication rules, and the most important field mappings like company name, domain, and owner. Make sure nothing critical is set to overwrite unintentionally. When you're confident, click Save and Sync. The initial sync may take a few minutes depending on volume. You can monitor progress in the sync dashboard, review logs for any errors, and adjust mappings at any time. That's it. You've connected HubSpot to Zoho CRM and set your data in motion. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.